BOSCH GLL3-330CG Unstoppable Green Laser, 200 feet of pure layout dominance. What if one single tool could cut your layout time in half and completely eliminate crooked walls, off-level ceilings, and close enough callbacks? Sounds too good to be true, right? Wrong. Thousands of contractors and serious DIYers quietly switched to the BOSCH GLL3-330CG green beam laser and suddenly started finishing rooms faster, cleaner, and with zero rework. If you're still fighting faded red lines or climbing ladders every 5 minutes to reposition your old laser, keep watching. This one changes everything. Picture this. You're in the middle of a kitchen remodel or a commercial drop ceiling job. Lighting is brutal, dust is everywhere, and your current laser's red lines disappear the second you step more than 30 feet away or turn on the shop lights. You're constantly moving the tool, re-leveling, squinting, marking, then praying it's actually square when the inspector shows up. One tiny bump, and it's out again. Battery dies mid-job and you're scrambling for double A's you don't have. Meanwhile, the other crew on site is flying through rooms with bright green lines wrapping the entire space from one setup. They're not faster or smarter than you, they just have the right tool. And you're left wondering how much money and reputation you're losing every single week because your laser is holding you back. The BOSCH GLL3-330CG isn't just another laser. It's 3 full 360-degree green beams that are 4 times brighter than red, visible across 200 feet without a receiver, 330 feet with the LR8. One setup covers the entire room, horizontal for ceilings and floors, 2 perfect 90-degree verticals for walls, corners, and plumb transfers. Self-levels in seconds, accurate to plus or minus 3/32 of an inch at 30 feet. Control it from their phone via Bluetooth. Turn planes on, off, check battery, get out of level alerts without touching the tool. Runs all day on the included 12-volt 2-amp-hour battery, or switch to regular AA batteries instantly with the adapter. No downtime ever. IP64 dust and water resistant, overmolded housing survives drops and job site abuse. Compared to basic red crossliners, or even most other green 360s, this thing is in a different league. Brighter, tougher, smarter, and actually saves you hours per job instead of creating more work. Don't just take my word. General contractors on commercial fit-outs say they cut layout time 40% the first week. A Finnish carpenter I know, Jake, used to carry 2 red lasers. Now he grabs only the BOSCH GLL3-330CG and finishes cabinet runs in half the time. Tool reviewers call it the new industry standard for interior pros. Even inspectors notice. Multiple guys told me callbacks for level plumb issues dropped to 0 after switching. Bosch's Visimax tech and 12-volt platform have been battle-tested on job sites worldwide. When you see that green beam slice through dust and bright lights like butter, you'll get why pros refuse to use anything else. This isn't marketing hype. It's the tool that finally keeps its promises. If you're ready to stop wasting time, stop redoing work, and start getting perfect layouts every single time, click the link in the description right now. The BOSCH GLL3-330CG full kit with battery, charger, AA adapter, and hard case is in stock at the lowest price I've seen this year. Thousands of us made the switch and will never go back to red lasers or constant repositioning. Click below, grab yours today, and watch your next job become the fastest, cleanest, most profitable one you've ever done. Link in the description. Go get it.